Fáilte arais a chairde An Ghaeilge Lá seo rang ever a sé. Agus inniu, today we're going to do our daily routine, so you can pause here to complete that. And if you think that you can complete it in the past tense, that's coming up now as well. Inniu and blank to me blank. So if you struggle to complete these, you can actually look at another video that I'll be uploading soon, which goes through all the basics that we've been covering through this course before they'd actually moved online. So when you've completed those, we're going to move on and look at our four An Ghaeilge Lá. And as you can see, those are the ones that we've done so far: ag, haig, da, de, le and raibh. And today we're going to move on to O, which means from, and e, which means in. And we've actually come across these before. So O, from me, whom, from you, would, from him, we, from her, woohie, from us, wooing, from usances, with, and from them, woohoo. So if you were trying to put those into a sentence, 1, 2, 3, you could use the verb glach, which means take. So try that out. Pause here to complete your sentences. Watch on to have a look at mine. These are the sentences I used. Number 1, ever hien, glach na milshine womb. Take the sweets away from me. Glach me na milshine woohie. I took the sweets away from her. Near glach she agaibh woohoo. She didn't take money from them. Now we'll look at e, which means in, and we've come across that before as well. So in me, on him. In you, on it. In him, on, or in it, on, and you'd see on quite often. In her, in she. In us, onin. In usances, onuv. And in them, unto. So if you're doing your abertje, you could use some nouns, things that are in people like chroí, your heart, joch, a drink, and dochar, which is harm. So pause here to try those out, or watch on for my sentences. And here are the sentences that I did. Ever a hien, ta chroí more on it. There's a big heart in you. Ever a daw, and pláiste onin, the child within us. And ever a tree, neil more than daoine on. There's not many people within, or there's not many people in there. So glach sus and ish, you can take a wee break before we move on to the next bit. And ish, shanokal and lay. So this is the shanokal that we did last week from our Leo Hishkinch and Gaeilge Lá. And the shanokal was is far neart de vugan na daddy de moran. And that translated, a couple of people got it. Well done. Better to have plenty of a small amount than none of a large amount. So I'll read through the text and you can follow along. If you feel that you're ready, you can pause on the question, which will come up answer, and answer them straight away. If you need a little bit of extra help with the translations, watch on and I'll go through the new phrases that we encounter. Arailin, on we go. Ceacht ever a hocht. Cahach rugu agus togu hu. Rugu in mel firstje me. Togu in shin me fosta. Tá me in mahoney in mel firstje go fóill. Fanny me and shaw festa. Rugu shan e gorky. Ach near togu in shin Togu in waile clear Níl sé in chonaí I mbaile clia anois. D'fhág sé nuair a bhí sé 20 bliain d'aois. Tá sé ina chonaí I nGaillimh le 6 bliana anuas. Rugadh maire in Leeds ach níor tógu and sin é. Tógu nire é. Bhí si ina cónaí in nire go raibh si 8 mbliana déag. Tá si ag cur fuaithe I Londain anois. Creidteann go rugadh Peadar agus Pauline in ardmhaithe. Tá is agam gur tógu in sin iad. Níl siad ina cónaí in ardmhaithe. Ní raibh le 10 mbliana anuas. Tá Peadar ina cónaí in Nún Dealgan agus tá Pauline ina cónaí in New York. Tá Paul ina cónaí I Limneach. Níl is agam Carabas é. Dúirt sé nar rugadh ná nar tógu in dhearan é. Sílim gur Sassenach atá ann. Tá sé ag cur faoi in dhearan le fada. So if you feel you're ready, má tá tú ré, if you're ready, you can move on to the questions that are coming up now and you can answer them. The answers are given below but in the wrong order, so if you really need the answers, you can look below. They're the fragry. If you need a wee bit more help with the translation, skip past the questions and we're going to look at frasí ura. So these will be the new phrases that come up in the text. Frasí ura are new phrases. So I'm going to go through them, give you the English, and then we'll use them in a sentence. And the first one that came up for me was rugadh, which means born. Rugadh Caoimhe in Nídéag Octowacht, born in 1988. Tógu is raised. Tógu Chris in Fáilte Antrim. Chris was raised in Antrim town. Fáilte is also. Bhí maith and sin Fáilte. Maith was there also. Mo chónaí, I am living. Tá mé mo chónaí le féilim. I live with féilim. Fanny will stay. Fanny, Lorcan, Lum. Lorcan will stay with me. Dag. So the FH is silent. Dag is left. Dag Louise a hatta anseo. Louise left her hat here. Fiche blian deish, 20 years of age. Níl sé ach fiche blian deish. He's only 20 years of age. Le sé blian anuas for 6 years. Tá mé ag obair anseo le sé blian anuas. And there's a spelling mistake there, an A missing. I've been working here for 6 years. Go raibh she, that she was. Is cinse go raibh she in sin. It's certain that she was there. Ag cur fuaithe. She is living. Tá she ag cur fuaithe in seo. She is living here. Creidteann. I believe. Creidteann an him. You tell me what you think that one means. Tá sugam. I know. Or directly, I have the knowledge. Tá sugam. Holla me. I know. I heard. Dúirt sé nar. He said that. Negative. So whatever comes next is negative. Dúirt sé nar bhaile Jock. He said that he doesn't want a drink. Sassenach, as most people know, is an English person. Is Sassenach I mochara. My friend is English, but you're referring to a female friend. That's why it's I. Le fada, for a long time. Tá mé ag fannacht anseo le fada. I've been waiting here for a long time. And in the questions, cahach means where. Caoimhe means where is. Ca'ad means how long. And don't forget, you don't hear FH. Can you make up your own questions and answers with these? So the Shanachal from today, it's a bit of a longer one. And Rodda, Chi and Lanav, Gni and Lanav. And another way of saying that is Another Ekin and Lanav, Janan and Lanav. Use the pictures of the clues. What does that mean? Let me know. And finally, we've got a game on shed and she. So follow the directions here, and there's 2 games for you, and you need to put the sentences together in the correct order. Sinead on Lan, you, that's us for today. You're doing brilliantly. All the feedback's been fantastic. keep up the hard work. And a wee message to everybody, remember, you're supposed to find some of this difficult. If you could do it all with ease, you wouldn't need to be here. So have a read of that message over and over again as many times as you need. And from me and everybody else at Terrace, Slán go fóill, my sibh, we miss you loads. Slán go fóill, we'll see you soon. Slán!